Hey there, curious minds. Today I'm diving into a fascinating topic that sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel, the mysterious birth of new species. Ever wondered how Mother Nature does her magic, turning one species into two? Let's find out. When it comes to species evolving, there are a few wild scenarios that can lead to the emergence of new life forms. This process is known as speciation, and it's all about how genetic changes interact with the environment. First up, geographical isolation. Picture this: a single species split into two by a river or a mountain range. Over centuries, these two groups evolve in completely different ways. This can happen because mutations stack up separately in each group, leading them down distinct evolutionary paths. Eventually, they become so different that they can no longer interbreed, and voila, two new species are born. Next, let's talk about reproductive isolation. Sometimes it's not about physical barriers, but about changes in behavior. Imagine two groups of the same species living side by side, but over time, one group's mating dance becomes so unique that the other group just can't keep up. These behavioral shifts can lead to both groups going their separate evolutionary ways. Adaptation to different environments is another speciation superstar. Consider a species where one group starts living predominantly in water, while another sticks to land. Over generations, these two groups adapt to their environments so differently that they become incompatible with each other. This specialization drives them to become separate species. Now here's a curveball: asexual reproduction. Yes, some species don't need a partner to reproduce and can give rise to entirely new species all on their own through processes like parthenogenesis. It's like cloning, but at a natural evolutionary level. Lastly, have you heard of hybridization? Sometimes nature likes to mix things up. When two closely related species breed, their offspring can sometimes be so genetically unique that they stand apart as a new species. It's rare, but it's a spectacular showcase of life's unpredictability. In conclusion, the birth of new species, or speciation, is a complex dance of genetics and environmental factors. Whether it's through isolation, adaptation, or even hybrid scenarios, nature continually finds ways to diversify and flourish. It's an ongoing saga of life that keeps our planet vibrant and endlessly intriguing. Thanks for tuning in. Keep that curiosity alive, and who knows, maybe you'll uncover some mysteries of your own. Until next time, keep exploring.